Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to continue to create the internal structure of the engine fuselage side of the C119. So let's start. So what I'm going to do, I am going to hide the canvas for now because I don't need the fuselage, I don't need none of these, and I don't need the wing either. So engine case, actually what we can do, also we can create a single body of this. So combined, I am going to combine the engine case and we're going to combine all the rest of the section inside, the parts. And if I click OK, we should hopefully have only one solid body, which is make it easier for, that's the internal, that's fine. It's going to make it easier for printing when you export the body for 3D printing. Okay, we've done that, so let's put back the rest of it. I can actually hide that one out. And let's see what I can do on these. And I'll offset the face. Or shall I do shell? Shell 0.6. It will not create the shell. It will not create the shell in that position. That I think is because that is too small to create a face. So can I do a construction plane? And I can bring a construction plane there. Then I can split that body with that. Let's have a look. That it's okay. Let me hide that one for now, and let's see if I can do offset faces. Minus 0.6. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake here, so I need to copy that and paste it in the same position. And now I have engine cover. Let me rename this one engine cover, and now I have to cover the this one is the one I have created. So let's offset the faces here, and we do a -0.6. That hopefully should have created the inner face. And as you can see, I've got that engine cover, internal face. So that's good. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to create a sketch on this face here, and I am going to create a 120. 120 is fine. Line. Did I do this one right? I always get this one wrong because maths is not my forte. So I got that, and now I can do a line here of 45. Yeah, that it looks better. The other one was wrong. So I have this line here, and I can put it there. And as we done before, we just offset 1 mil. And now we select both, and we create a pattern. The direction is on this one, and we create a pattern there. And let's have a look how many we put here. It's about 600 mil, 100 mil each. I'm going to put a little bit more, a little bit longer, because oops, I want to put that one there, and we do the pattern now up to there. And we're gonna put 7, gonna put 8. I think I am gonna put 9 for now. Oh, sorry, I have not selected everything. So let's start again. And we're gonna go for 9. Okay, now we can draw a line there, and we can draw a line there like we did on the previous. Basically we're using the the same technique we've done before. And now we are going to delete that. And we're going to do all that, all that, all that. We escape from the tool, and what we're going to do now, we are going to select them all. Oh. Select, select, I don't know if you hear any noise on the background, but if you do, that is my printer. I'm just printing some drawers for my tools. So apologize if you do hear some background noise. Fortunately, I've got printers running most of the time. Again, I did a mistake because I didn't click finish sketch. Let's have a look at if they're still selected. They are, luckily. And now I can pull that one out, and I can say new body, and I click OK, and we do have bodies here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hide that one, and we're gonna cut split body, body to split. Those, and the splitting tool is that. And we should have a okay, I know why. So let's go back there. So split body, body to split is this, and splitting tools, let's see, I need to select it from there, I think. And now it looks more likely. So we go this one to remove, this one to remove, this one to remove, and so on. We remove it, and we to remove that one. So let me see. We have nice where is it? Oh, here it is. We have nice internal structure for now. Also, what we can do, we take that one off. It's not that one. Right. Minus 0.6. So if I do split body, body to split is that one, and the tool body is that one. Let's have a look. If I take that one out, we should have a hollow body here, and now we can put all the others ribs inside. So now we've done that, let's do sketches, bring back that. But what I'm going to do, I am going to create another sketch onto that sketch there, and let's put that one back, and I am going to put a vertical line here, and I am going to do a 45 degrees there, so I can remove that, and I can move that in this way. We offset of 1 mil. Perfect, and then we select those, create rectangular, and we're gonna go right to the end here. I probably go there. Let's have a look. If I put 9 like before, I should be okay there. So I click OK. And hide those ones. Now, like we did before, and then we start to so delete all the excess. Same here. Same up here. That's good. And delete that one. And finish the sketch. And now I can go and select that. Select, put it again. Select that. Oh, that one. Okay. Come back on that one. Extrude. Go to the front. Like that. New body. Okay. Sketch, sketch, sketch. Edit the sketch. And we have a mill there. Actually, it's supposed to be on the other side. -1. Delete that. Cancel that. And then that. Finish. Extrude. We're doing another new body there. Right, so now we do split, body to split. Splitting tool. Splitting tool. Not that one. Splitting tool is the engine going -6. And that should do the job. Okay, so if I take now the sketch off, I shouldn't need that one for now. And I can put all those back, hide that one. And it looks good. Let me put the engine cover back on, and it should be, yeah. So put that engine cover, yeah, okay. That is the end. Oh, it was that one. I think this one is the actual console. Just to remove that one. I don't really need, I just need that one. Perfect. And now what we need to do, we need to make this one a little bit lighter. Let me get the engine case for a second, and let me check what did I do. Oh, I don't see it now because I have. So we got that one. Okay. I can't remember how much I have. That's it. I think it was this offset here. Right, let me have a look if I can see was the offset there. Bum bum bum. On that. No, 67 mil. It's not even 5 mil either. Right, let me create a sketch on top of that. Now it's going to be a quite tedious job now because we need to basically extrude that and probably 10 mil. And we finish the sketch and we do another one here. And we project and we offset. So look, 10 mil minus, get there, finish the sketch. What we're gonna do, we're going to extrude that out. And we're gonna extrude that out. Let's hide those two so we don't get too confused. And now let me see. Okay. I think it's better to start from here. We go down. So that's project. 10. Finish. Okay. Open that one up. Turn. Oop. Okay. Turn. Cancel. 9 is fine. That's funny. 10.5 S2. Okay, let's go for with that one. Doesn't matter too much. And let's get that project. Is the sketch. Okay. We project. Then we offset. Finish. I know he's gonna take a little bit to do this, but because it's not a linear shape, don't really want to do a. Although what I could have done, I could have offset the face 10 mil. I could have created the internal ones. I think I am going to try that one now. Let's have a look. Let me select all the bodies. Take that one off. Although I think I don't have many left. I've got a few left. So if I use the engine cover, I've got that one. So let me hide those so I can copy and paste a new one, and I can call this one minus 10 and modify offset faces, that and that, minus 10, and appearance I am going to use another color for that, and I'm gonna get like a purple. So take that one off. Oh, why this one? Okay, don't know what I've done there. Probably I'm gonna remove the offset face. To remove that one. We got that. And we do a copy and we do a paste. Click OK. I am going to close that one out. And I'm going to put that one there. And this one is going to be offset the face of this one. -10. Okay, and now it works. Don't know what I did earlier. I may have selected both. Okay, so I am going to select them all, put it back on, and now let's have a look if it works. Split the body. Splitting tool. And so, right, what do we have? Is that one? Let me try that one. Like this. Okay, and that one is that one. That looks okay, I think. We remove that. Remove that. Remove that. Remove that. Remove. Remove. And remove. Okay, so I can group those and group those. I can also group those. And now I can put everything back on. With that not needed. This one is needed. And that looks good. It'd be better maybe if I put one or two more. so I could intersect those two. But it's fine for now. For that. Yeah, I think it's looking okay. We could do a combine that one. Combined, and all the rest would be all this, I think. Okay, we have selected them all, and I think if I click OK, we should be getting a full body. And now that one is done, so I can put back the rest of the plane. That one. Yep. Rest of the plane, and it's good. It's start to look decent. We may add extra structure. We'll see once I print it how strong it comes. If not, we can put always some rods inside of some sort. So for today, it's all. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comment, please leave them below. And then if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.